Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's audiobook is a calm, thoughtful, and deeply inspiring summary of the book Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. This book explores a simple but a very powerful idea from Japan, an idea that explains why some people live long, healthy, and joyful lives. That idea is called Ikigai. So take a moment, slow down your breathing, and allow this message to gently guide you towards clarity and purpose. Ikigai is a Japanese word that roughly means a reason for being. It is the reason you wake up in the morning, the quiet motivation that gives meaning to your life. In Japanese culture, Ikigai is not always something big or dramatic. Sometimes it is simple, like caring for garden or teaching others or maybe mastering a craft. The book begins by taking us to Okinawa, a small island in Japan. Okinawa is a famous for one reason. It has one of the highest population of people living over 100 years old. These people are not just living together, they are living better. They stay active, they smile often, they remain socially connected. And most important, they have a strong sense of purpose. In Okinawa, many people never truly retire. They continue doing what they love for as long as they live. Not because they have to, but because their work gives them meaning. Ikigai teaches us that staying mentally and physically engaged is essential to happiness. Purpose keeps the mind sharp and the body alive. One powerful lesson from Ikigai is this: happiness is not found by chasing big achievements alone. It is found in appreciating small daily joys. A cup of tea, a morning walk, a meaningful conversation. When you slow down enough to notice these moments, life feels rich. The book introduces a simple framework to understand Ikigai. Ikigai lives at the intersection of four things: what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, what you can be rewarded for. When these four aligns, you find a deep fulfillment. But Ikigai is not a destination, it is a journey that evolves over time. Another key idea in Ikigai is flow. Flow is the state where you are fully absorbed in what you are doing. Time disappears, distractions fade, you feel calm yet focused. People of Okinawa often experience flow through simple activities: cooking, gardening, crafting, teaching. Flow nourishes the soul. Ikigai encourages a slower pace of life, not rushing, not multitasking constantly, not chasing stress. Instead, it teaches more gently, eat me mindfully, work with care. Slowness allows awareness, awareness creates peace. One of the most powerful lessons from Ikigai is this: life is not made long by sudden change. It is shaped by small daily habits. In Okinawa, people follow routines that keep both body and mind balanced. They wake up with a purpose, they move gently, they stay socially connected. A key practice in Okinawan culture is hara hachibu. It means eat until you are 80% full. Instead of overeating, they stop before they feeling heavy. It is simple habit reduces the stress on the body. It improves digestion and supports longevity. Mindful eating is not restriction. It respect for the body. Ikigai culture favors consistent movement, not extreme workout. Daily walking, stretching, light gardening, martial arts practice gently. Movement is woven into everyday life. This keeps joint flexible, energy flowing, and the body strong without burnout. Another important concept is Moai. Moai refers to lifelong social groups formed in childhood. These groups provide emotional support, shared purpose, a sense of belonging. Strong relationship reduce loneliness and protect mental health. Humans are not meant to live alone. Connection is medicine. The elders of Okinawa focus less on stress and more on gratitude. They accept hardship as part of their life without dwelling on it. They laugh often, they forgive easily, they focus on what they can control. This emotional balance protects both the heart and mind. Another secret of Ikigai is curiosity. Lifelong learners age slower, mentally and emotionally. Learning a new skill, teaching others, trying new hobbies, curiosity keeps the brain young. Ikigai teaches that happiness does not come from excess. Simple homes, simple meals, simple pleasures, less clutter create mental clarity. When life is simple, purpose becomes clearer. You don't need to live in a Okinawa to practice Ikigai. Ikigai is not a place, it is a mindset. You can begin by asking what gives me the day meaning? What activity makes me lose track of time? What small habit bring peace? So the most important question becomes personal. What is your Ikigai? Finding Ikigai does not require sudden clarity. It unfolds slowly through reflection, experience, and patience. Begin by paying attention to what naturally drawn to you, what activities gives you energy instead of training it. To discover your Ikigai, the book suggests simple questions. What do I love doing? What am I doing at good? What feels meaningful to contribute? And what sustains my life? You don't need perfect answers today. Small insights add up over time. In Japanese culture, patience is deeply respected. Ikigai is not rushed, it's shaped through daily commitment, small improvement, quiet dedication. Trying to force purpose often lead to frustration. Allow it to emerge naturally. Work, when aligned with Ikigai, becomes meaningful rather than exhausting. Even simple work can feel fulfilling when you do it with care and intention. Ikigai is not about prestige, it is about contribution. When you focus on doing your work well, purpose follows. Ikigai teaches balance. Effort balanced with rest, ambition balanced with gratitude, growth balanced with peace. Burnout happens when life loses balance. Purpose thrives when balance is restored. One of the most beautiful teaching of Ikigai is presence, not waiting for happiness in future, but finding joy now. Purpose lives in the present moment. When you fully engage with your today, life feels complete. Ikigai offers a new perspective on aging. Aging is not a decline, it is a deepening. Wisdom grows, purpose matures, contribution continues. Living with Ikigai means aging with dignity and peace. As this audiobook comes to a close, remember this: your Ikigai does not need to be an extraordinary to the world, it only needs to be meaningful to you. A simple life, lived with intention, is a powerful life. Wake up with purpose, Move gently through your day, stay connected, allow your Ikigai to guide you one quiet moment at a time. Return to these ideas whenever life feels rushed because purpose is always waiting to be rediscovered. Thank you for listening.